This is the definitive guide to resolve your Asus Rog Acpi firmware broken error and Bsod loop. After personally experiencing this persistent issue and testing numerous fixes, I've pinpointed effective methods to restore your system's stability, and I'm ready to share them. The first approach tackles the firmware directly by updating it to the latest version, ensuring all internal communications are functioning correctly. Method 2 focuses on ensuring your system's core components, like the chipset, are communicating properly through updated drivers, preventing communication breakdowns that cause errors. Next, we address potential software conflicts by isolating and removing any applications that might interfere with the firmware's operation. Finally, resetting the BIOS to its default optimized settings clears any misconfigurations that could be triggering the firmware error. These steps work by either refreshing outdated instructions, correcting communication pathways, removing disruptive elements, or re-establishing a stable baseline configuration for your hardware. The solution to fix Asus Rog Acpi firmware broken error and Bsod loop lies in these systematic adjustments.